guys, look. The event just happened, and look who I got. He's so cute. If you weren't playing while the event happened, don't worry at all.
Baby Kiwi.
It's a short video.